Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hamzy's easy kimchi. First, let's prepare our napa cabbage. Take one large head, cut it into 2-inch pieces, and remove the tough core. Next, dissolve 1/3 cup of coarse sea salt in 2 cups of water. Pour this over your cabbage, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it sit for about 40 minutes, giving it a good toss after 20 minutes to ensure even brining. Finally, rinse the cabbage 3 times under cold water and squeeze out excess liquid. Now for the heart of our kimchi, the flavorful paste. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of gochugaru, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mince 5 cloves of garlic and grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. For unique sweetness, add 1/3 cup of grated apple or apricot jam. Finally, chop 4 green onions and julienne 1/3 cup of carrots. Mix everything together until you have a vibrant, thick paste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. Put on some gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Add your thoroughly drained napa cabbage to the bowl with the kimchi paste. Use your hands to gently massage the paste into every single piece of cabbage, ensuring it's all beautifully coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi firmly into clean glass jars or an airtight container. Let it sit on your counter for a few hours to marinate, allowing the flavors to meld. Congratulations, your easy kimchi is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately as a refreshing side dish with almost any meal. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This versatile kimchi is fantastic with grilled meats, mixed into fried rice, or simply enjoyed on its own. Remember to always use clean utensils when serving to keep it fresh and delicious for longer. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.